waiting for approvals, chasing updates, or just juggling tasks across teams that don't communicate? Sounds familiar, right? Every day at work, projects slow down because systems don't think ahead. Even with automation, one unexpected change can bring everything to a halt. That's the problem agentic AI solves. Imagine multiple AI agents working together, planning, predicting, and executing in real time. That's the difference between constantly reacting and actually leading. That's why IIT Madras Pravartak created the Advanced Certificate in Agentic AI Workflows and System Development. This isn't just another online program, it's IIT level training taught directly by faculty who are shaping AI research in India. You'll learn how to orchestrate AI systems that don't just operate, but think, plan, and adapt. Exactly what modern businesses need. It begins with the Bridge course. Whether you're a fresher, a developer, or already working in tech, this ensures you have the foundation to handle complex AI workflows confidently. Then comes the AI Clinic, where learning becomes hands-on. You won't just watch or read, you'll build multi-agent AI systems, simulate them in enterprise-like environments, and integrate them across real-world industries like finance, healthcare, or operations. By the end, you'll have a portfolio of projects showing you can orchestrate AI agents in workflows that predict, adapt, and execute intelligently. What makes this program stand out? First, the IIT Madras faculty. Learning from researchers leading AI in India gives you insight you can't get anywhere else. Next, the Futurance Leadership Council, CXOs and global AI experts from companies like Google, Amazon, Rakuten, mentoring you on scaling workflows, decision-making, and building AI systems that impact millions. Finally, the Breakfast Club, a lifelong network of peers, mentors, and alumni. Weekly discussions, career insights, and ongoing guidance make sure your growth doesn't stop at graduation. The payoff? Positions like AI Workflow Architect, Gen AI Consultant, or Automation Lead with growth potential and salaries that reflect the skills you'll build. So the question is, do you want to keep firefighting slow processes, or do you want to be the one designing systems that think, plan, and execute on their own? Admissions are open. Step in, learn, and build the AI workflows of tomorrow. Apply now